Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have a new box slash old friend at the channel. We have the KiwiEcoBox, and I have actually opened this once in the past and they reached out and asked if I would like to open it again. And you guys know I try and do as much as I can, sustainable, zero plastic. I don't know that I will ever personally get to zero plastic, but it's something that I hope for. So let's get in here and check this out. Was sent to me for review, but because we do the review, I will put a code and a link down below for a discount, and you can go over, check it out, see if it's something you want to do. As a rule, we will have 5 to 7 products. It is $24.99 if you do it monthly. If you pay in advance quarterly, it brings it down to $23.33, and if you pay yearly, it brings it down to $22.50. And again, we will have 5 to 7 products in here, and the whole point of the KiwiEcoBox is we're headed toward zero waste. This was started a couple of years ago. This is what it looks like when we open it up in Texas. I think the women were originally from the Ukraine, and the whole point is to go eco-friendly and toward zero waste. You know, just using less disposable, less plastic, less packaging, less all of the things that we use so much of. It just makes it easier to build it into your lifestyle. If you have items that help you go zero waste, like I use a lot of silicone bags now in an attempt to do away with like all the Ziploc type things, just things like that. Okay, I will admit, looking at this, I went on to check out the information for this, and the information that I printed out was for the September box, and that is not what this is. So we're gonna fly a little blind here, but that's okay. We can do that. So let's just dig right in. Right away, you can tell the shred is different. And you know what? I love it. Can you guys see how different it looks? It's real light. I don't know what about it is eco-friendly, but I just really feel like something is. When you get the box, you will have this little piece of paper, and you can scan this, of course, and it will give you all of the information that you need to know about your box. When I looked up the September box, it had like a $45 value, and it's $24.99. So I think that that's a good deal for a subscription box. Okay. I am looking at this, and right on top, I am tickled because you guys always know, I always talk about, I wish that we got more hair stuff, and this has some hair things in it. So, and I got a cute little note from him that just says, thank you, Kathrin, for making the zero waste choice. Together, we can save the planet. And like I said, this is something that I've truly done in my life. So I am on board. Okay, we're just gonna reach in, and right on top, we have an organic shampoo bar with lemon and tea tree. And that is what that looks like. So right away, you have shampoo with basically no packaging. Let's take it out and look at it. Probably gonna destroy the packaging in doing this. It's gonna make it a little tough to do a flat lay for my Insta, but we wanna know what it looks like and smells like. So it's just like a bar soap. Oh, it smells nice. Just, I can smell a hint of the tea tree. It's not super strong. I don't know that I get the lemon. It smells good though. I would absolutely use that scent on my hair. This would be so good for travel. Like, I don't know, if you were going to Disney World, say, and you needed a shampoo. This is very cool. I'm going to try it because I'm going to find a shampoo bar that I love, because you guys know, we have discussed, I'm an everyday shampooer, and with this much hair, and I go through so much shampoo and conditioner, and those are big bottles. So if I could, it would be fantastic. Okay, next out, I have a face and body bar, and it's a Upcircle. We've had that brand before in other boxes. I don't think I've ever had their face and body bar though. Infused with repurposed chai spices, cinnamon and ginger. Happy fall. How good does that sound? Palm oil free, 100% natural and vegan. That is what the box looks like. On the back it says, gently exfoliating, natural soap to purify and energize face and body. Pink clay soothes redness and inflammation. Organic cinnamon and ginger oils give the skin an uplifting energy boost. Well, we want to know what this smells like, because ginger and cinnamon sounds delicious. Oh, it smells so good. You know what it smells like? Ginger and cinnamon. Oh, that smells so good. I just want... Yeah, we're right here on the edge of fall. I'm taping this, ooh, I was just gonna say the day, the 6th, I think this is the 6th. And it's just right here. We're into fall. PSLs are out, it's fall. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. even if I can't use it on my face, and I will probably try. I worry a little bit about the cinnamon because those are warm spices, but we'll try them on my face. And if I can't use them on my face, I will absolutely be using this on my body. I was hoping it would say what repurposed chai spices were. It doesn't on here. If I can find it out, I'll let you know down in the comments. Next we have, and I suspect, I'm not sure which bar is meant to go in here. We just have a soap bar container. So let's try it. Oh, our shampoo one doesn't quite fit. Let's see if our face and body fit in here. In theory, after 1 or 2 uses, either one would fit. So, oh yeah, no, our body one fits in here perfectly. So again, if you were going to Disney World and you wanted to take your own multi-purpose bar, this would be a good way to travel with it. It still smells good. I would probably take a piece of string or, oh, no, because you're traveling, you're taking hair ties wherever you go. I would really take a hair tie. I'm feeling pretty clever. I came up with that on the fly and put it around this to be sure it stayed secure. And then again, super good to travel with. All right, next out. Oh, this is weighty and gorgeous. We have a comb. How pretty is that? It's a wooden comb. That is gorgeous. They've made it so the ends are fairly sharp. Let's see. Yep, it goes through your hair. I love that. That is gorgeous. This will definitely get used and it will look so pretty sitting on my vanity. You know what, I love wood things. I just love all things. You know, I love wood cutting boards. I have way too many wood bowls, those kinds of things. So this is gorgeous. And in theory, not made out of plastic, which is a good thing. All right, next out we have, and there is no branding on this, so I don't know whose it is, but in theory, it's a conjac sponge. And that is just what it looks like. It's a good sized one too. You could probably use it. This is kind of big and it will get in theory bigger when you get it wet and you squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. And then you can, a lot of times when we get them, these are for your face, but this one is big enough that I wonder if it's a body conjac sponge because they do have themes. They keep their theme going. And we have this nice body bar. Of course, it's also a face bar. It could go either way. My guess is body bar. And last out, we have a soap bag. So you could, in theory, also put your body bar in here. It helps protect it so that it doesn't like keep dripping and waste in your shower, but it's also just a great way to use it. You can put your soap in here and then wet this, and as you rub, this acts kind of like a loofah, so you can go either way with it. So that's what we got in. I'm going to assume that this was the August box, and it says, thank you for making a green choice. P.S. This box is recyclable, of course. And you know, you have to recycle all your boxes. So in this month, which like I said, I'm going to assume is August, we got the soap bag that can go with our face and body soap bar, this nice conjac sponge, this gorgeous comb. The weight of that is really, really nice. The soap holder, so you can travel with it, or you could use it in your own shower. And then the shampoo bar, which was, I mean, be fair to this brand, it says earth and people-friendly organic shampoo. Oh, it's by Kiwi Eco. So they're making some of their own products. Oh, that's cool. You know what? It really is, because it means probably they're doing less shipping and stuff. So again, I will put all of the information below, the pricing, the link, the discount code, all of that below for you. If you have any questions, just let me know. If I don't have the answer, I will find it out for you. I want to thank Kiwi Eco for sending this over, and I hope I will see you guys again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, because I'm taping a lot today. Get used to this green shirt. And I will see you again really soon, I hope. Take care, guys.